What if the most crucial step in your anti-aging routine is the one you rush through? The secret to youthful skin lies deep within a microscopic frontier called the dermal-epidermal junction. This vital, protein-rich foundation anchors your epidermis to the dermis. It acts as a dynamic communication highway, controlling the flow of nutrients and oxygen essential for cell growth and repair. In youthful skin, deep wave-like ridges maximize nutrient exchange. But as we age, this junction flattens dramatically. This reduces nourishment, weakens the skin's bond, and directly leads to sagging and wrinkles. Harsh, alkaline cleansers with sulfates can inflict daily damage. They strip your protective acid mantle, denature delicate proteins, and trigger inflammation, accelerating the aging of your skin's foundation. Protect your skin's lifeline by switching to a pH-balanced, sulfate-free cleanser with gentle plant-derived surfactants. Please like this video and click the link in the description to read our complete guide on preserving your dermal epidermal junction.